In this activity, describing a data set in Access, how could you assign a single value to represent a data set? For example, a father here asked his son about how many students are in each of your classes at school. And the average number of students in the classes, the next day, the son counted the number of students in each class to get the following data, which is 22, 19, 27, 25, 29, and 21, and also 25. We need to help the son report back to his father about the average number of students in his classes by completing the questions, identifying the median of the data set and recommended number of the son could use as the best value to represent the data set. To identify the median of the number of students, you should know at first what an average is. We hear the word average a lot daily, right? For example, your average pocket money that you spend per day during a month, or the average weather temperature during a week. We can say that the word average means the value at which there is a balance for all values, just like the example of the balance of the ruler, right? It's also the value that if we change all the values, the sum of these values won't change. For example, if you have 10 pounds and your brother has 8, the average is 9, right? As you can give your brother pound and each of you would have 9. And the sum of the money is still 18. At first, you were not equal, but now you are. This means we will try to find a balance between point for the values representing the number of students. It's more likely that we will distribute the students on the number of classes equally. We can see that the number of students is around 19 to 29, right? Let's try to find the balance point between the highest value and the lowest value. We will determine the in-between values like this. Look here. These are all the data that we have in between them. Okay, then we will get the point that will maintain the balance. Look here. Exactly, it's 24 that makes balance, right? Let's use the number of students in the two classes after that, which are, let's use for example 21 and 27. Do we need to change the balance point for these two values? We will change the 24? Of course not, right? As the middle point between both of them is also still 24. Moreover, as for the values 22 and 25, let's see 22 and 25, will they change balance point, right? This time, they will change the balance point exactly because the middle value is exactly 23 and half. Also, there is a remainder value which is 25. It's exactly 23 and half. There is a remainder also 25. Thus, the balance point will be around 24.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.